the youth regional coordinator for MyCom. My first impression of the students here at Regent, they're very resilient, they know what they want, and they're very hardworking.
If I wasn't at Regent, I feel like I wouldn't have graduated high school because I needed the support and the help that they gave me. I went to like 5-6 different high schools my freshman year, so coming to Regent saved me academically.
Before I wrote at Regent, I was at a bigger school. It was a crazy environment. Regent, it was a more hands-on, one-on-one with the teacher, quiet space environment.
I feel like I've matured. I became a better person. I view myself differently. But I feel like the main one right now is me going to college. I didn't think I was going to graduate high school if I didn't come to Regent. So by me even being in college, that's a huge accomplishment for me.
I would tell you to come to Regent because Regent helps you with stuff one-on-one. You work on your own pace, but they gonna push you.
I feel like if you're looking for more support, Regent is a place for you. They're going to give you everything that you need.
They want you to succeed in life. They're not just here to get you out of here. They're not just here to feed you to work. They're here to really help you.